I'm surprised they didn't get banned.
5, 4, 3.
A bit surprised as well.
Were they? Pre-fox, please.
Beautiful.
We just had mages using Hera now.
Why did you reset the pull timer?
I didn't.
Someone did.
Wink
At the
will
end.
pull after me for some reason.
Ah, okay.
Misclick.
Breaking.
5, 4, 3, 2,
Beware.
1. Bomb on me. Run.
It's pulled twice, by the way, there again. What the fuck? Be like Hero and free pot and shit like that, and that shouldn't happen. Which side was it that did that?
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Paladin.
Bomb on me. Run. Five, 4,
Beware.
2.
Pick up this security guard.
You got a shield?
Please.
Hello?
Stop them. Where's the...
Bello is pot on there. Pot.
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Please see the security guard, please. Just repair.
So sack. Got it.
Five, 4,
Beware.
Killer engineer.
2, 1.
Bombs. One got wasted. Yeah. Kill the next engineer.
Give us a PS.
It's up.
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Come on, my team. Should be an engineer.
Got one of your security.
It's fun. Do the bomb. Do the bomb. Right. Transition. Move. Move. Move.
5,
Give us a
Let's
roll.
go.
4,
Beware.
Just give Wing a cooldown or something. I'll lamp him.
Oh, that rupture.
It was hard.
Slag elemental coming. 1.
It's fine. We can deal with it.
We can AoE stun these, so feel free.
Beware.
2, 1.
MC.
Bomb on me. Run.
Okay, yeah, ready for
Kragan.
It's
there you go.
broken.
Come on.
Taking it to purple. Releasing now.
There we go. Fall on the slag element. Will go.
Run. 5,
Beware.
Go on the slag.
3, 2,
Go
1.
primal. Primal go. Don't play the
healing
middle
burns.
bomb.
5, 4,
Beware.
2, 1.
Next one. Next slag soon, I think. Just kill the foreman for now until we get the next slag.
I'm seeing security guard now.
Slag elemental coming. 2,
Just because it was low.
It's fine. Right, next slag.
4,
Beware.
Fire
broken.
colours.
2, 1.
Taking it back to purple. Releasing
Kill the
now.
new slag. It's triangle kill. Volatile fire.
Cross on the security guard.
Okay, go primal now.
4,
Beware.
2,
Primal.
1.
Just want the security guard in when you come.
Yeah, 2 seconds.
Spread
Kill the
on
fire
top
corners now. Go. Kill the fire corners.
Run away.
Get the next slag to the next one.
5, 4,
Beware.
3, 2, 1.
So kill the next slag. It's a diamond. It's gonna die soon. Just get ready to blow up on the primal. Just make sure the fire colours are by the primal, please, so we can have max cleave.
3,
Primal go.
Beware.
Kragan
Last one
rupture.
with a cross.
Kragan rupture.
run out.
Volatile fire.
Dispel. Good.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
It's fine. Next lag. Kill it. It's green. As we kill the green one's out. Get it back into your stuff.
Beware.
Interrupt it now. Interrupt green.
1.
Get it and kill the primal, and then we'll kill the volatiles at the same time.
Run away.
Okay, go. Go primal.
5, 4, 3,
Cycle.
Beware.
Dispel.
One, Mark 1 for
Good.
Just get these fire callers dead afterwards, okay? All on the fire callers now,
Yep.
go. Fire callers.
Hold top fire spread.
4, 3,
Beware.
Slag elemental coming.
Okay, get the slag over to the next one. Aristides on you. So they're quite low as well, so that's fine. Just get it moving.
5,
Go on the
There's
new
a fire
primal.
caller up
Just
there.
watch out for the rupture. Watch out for the rupture.
1.
Okay, here we go. Primal, go. Just watch
Max,
out for the rupture.
security guard whenever you're ready.
5, 4, 3,
Beware.
1.
Volatile. Okay, get the no fire callers dead.
5,
I've interrupted the green.
Beware.
All clear on green now.
There's a fire
There's a
in it.
fire caller and yeah. Spread out with volatile
Fire
fire.
callers on the tank. Can you get it taunted?
5, 4,
Oh, can you, please? Thank you.
2, 1.
Alright, primal soon.
Stand
Primal
out
go.
slightly because of built.
Coming.
Got the primal.
4,
Watch out for the volatile.
Outside, just
Volatile.
lost.
1.
Get the primal dead. Watch out for the volatiles and we kill the fire callers up.
5,
Alright, go.
1.
Stay off
The
purple
slag.
slightly.
Fire
Wait till it's in
callers
position.
spawning.
Yeah, okay. Now.
Move the purple now. Spigot onto the primal. Spigot, spigot,
Yep,
spigot.
coming.
Right, go primal now. Go primal. Volatile.
5,
Don't blow each other up.
4, 3, 2,
Well, go.
1.
Just tonic if you need.
5, 4,
Feel free to
Bigger.
AoE stun there.
1.
Just stun in the melee if
Security
you
guard
need to.
loose.
Just res Nailus. Get the res guard.
4,
Get the green in now, please.
2, 1.
Volatile fire.
There's a cross up now.
4, 6, 2,
They
Just
leave
stop.
it now.
Don't touch the slag. Kill the ads now. The fire caller's coming soon. Just kill the security guards and the fire callers, okay? Just do that. The fire caller's coming in now. Kill the
We
fire
got
callers.
loads of time. Just
Yeah.
take it chilled. Kill the fire
Just kill
callers.
the fire
Control
callers.
the fight.
5, 4, 3, 2,
And now just kill the slag.
1.
Volatile fire.
5,
Okay, go primal now. Go.
3, 2,
Go primal.
1.
Blown up.
Primal. Primal. Just kill it.
5,
We're absolutely fine.
3, 2, 1.
Primal's dying soon.
We're obviously going to start in the corner that's nearest to us.
Yeah.
Watch
1.
the rupture that's in the way.
Kill the
Deal with the
security
security
guard.
guards now.
Who's taking boss?
5,
Can take it first.
No, not me. I've got security guards. I'm not.
I've got the boss. I've got the boss.
7,
That's fine. Here we go.
Deal with the security guards, please.
Make sure you have the melt placed at the back, please.
4.
If you have a slag element on you, spread out. If you're not, get to melee, okay? It's okay, just kill the security guard.
2 on me. Taunt rain.
I've got it.
1.
Tell us when you need to move.
I'll tell you.
Not on me.
4.
If you don't have a slag on you, get to melee.
5,
Move the boss slightly.
4, 3,
Just shut up now, okay?
1.
Your turn to tank rain.
5,
We should need 20 cooldowns for now.
Watch, there's a melt.
Yes, a melt is fine.
Careful.
1.
It's good.
That's on me. It's okay.
It's okay.
They fixate.
4.
Just move out from the general group. If
Move
you've
the
got
boss
slag on.
now. Move the boss.
Slag elemental coming. 8, 5,
Haunting.
Down.
Cool.
3, 2, 1.
Move the boss again.
5, 4.
It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Just keep it up.
1,
Just
I'll
take,
go for cooldowns when we need to.
I think it's one each
Watch the
now.
rupture.
4,
Oh, I didn't even get one.
2, 1.
Place the melt properly.
Taunt now, rain.
5,
Melt.
4, 3,
Put the next melt at the back and then we can move the boss. It's fine. It's fine.
5,
Can you hit one now?
4,
Force 2
Okay,
seconds.
shut up. I need to do the cooldowns now. Just shut up, alright?
5,
Right, Kragan rallying in 5.
3,
With the boss, Kragan rallying now.
5, 4,
With the boss a bit.
2, 1. Slag elemental.
Harrowing now.
4, 3, 2,
Mel
Right,
neat.
next rallying. Aristeid's go.
5,
Winkle sap.
I've taunted.
It's up.
We're gonna need to move the boss slightly.
Yeah, move the boss, move the boss. It's fine, it's fine. Honestly, relax.
3,
Caslin, Devotion Aura, go.
2,
Anger, Smoke Bomb, melee.
5, 4, 5,
Tonic if you need.
4,
Beastie, Devotion Aura now.
5, 2, 1.
Finger Blast of Vampiric Embrace.
Yep.
Dunking. Barrier the melee now.
5, 4,
Right, next V if you can. Say got Barrier melee.
1.
Everyone else use your own cooldowns. Praxi Amp.
3, 2, 1.
With the boss now, please. Sean, use
New
cooldown.
melt.
2,
1.
1,
Divine him now, go.
4, 3, 2,
And that should be a kill.
Simo.
Mate, easy.
Easy.
Not
Like.
fast phases either.
See what happens when you take
Easy, bruh.
Yeah, see how you shut the fuck up and let me talk?
Oh, sorry.
No- no one likes
mate.
Oh, don't need on any of the loot, by the way. Just, I didn't put the master looter on.
James.
What?
Good job, mate.
Thanks, Beastie, mate!
Big Amanda.
Hey.